Okay, well, we're going to unbox a gift today. Now, this gift is super special because it comes from one of our small businesses that we've highlighted. And I'm super excited. So let's see. Let's see who this is from. Oh boy. So we're going to just unbox this. It's a nice box. It came through the postage. Ah, look at this. Okay, so when you receive your items, they're going to be nicely tucked in here. Have this packed. It's tucked in. Oh boy, it's tucked in nicely. Oh, look at who it's from. Basil Nature. Oh, Basil Nature. And this company is owned by Ms. Nakia Malbia. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, so you'll get your card and you can just reference this for later. We're going to set this aside. Oh, look. Look at how delicate that looks. Oh, I'm so excited. Look. So, oh, these are already wrapped. If you're wanting to order them and have them shipped to you, you can. Because look, they are wrapped and ready to go. And all you need to do is just put them in your bag, maybe a gift bag. So I'm going to set that to the side. Look at that. That is so dainty, so pretty. Oh boy. I wonder what's in here. Now we ordered several things, several items from this company. Set this aside. Check this out. So delicate, so nicely wrapped. And you can just take these items and put them in another box. Oh, an espresso facial. Now, she has videos on her Facebook page where it shows how to do a facial. So, oh, that's going to be nice. Espresso facial. We'll set that aside. What else? Oh, look at that. That's ready to gift. Put in your gift bag, too. Oh, I hate to open it. But let's see. We'll just take and check out our other items. Oh, look at that. Oh, basil serum. I can't wait to use this. Pretty. Basil serum. We're ready. Little dropper. Oh. Now these items were not as expensive as you think. These are all organic, handmade beauty products. Shipped to your home. Oh boy. Espresso buffer. That looks yummy. Oh, yes. Look at that. And it smells yummy and divine. It smells very pretty. It smells like it's going to really relax and rejuvenate at the same time. Oh, what a nice scrub. Okay. I know what that is. That's the facial or body wash, body soap, facial soap. And that's going to be real nice too. Well, again, Basil Nature. You can go to the website at basilnature.com. Basil Nature. Be good, be well. Cool.